Hi there, this is Marissa, and today I'm just going to show you quickly how to edit a photo using a curves adjustment. And so I have my adjustments panel way over here. If you'd like here, let me drag it over here so that we can see it better. And if you don't see the adjustments panel, it'll be up here, Windows, Adjustments, and that will open it up. And I am just going to click here on this one here, which is the curves. And then I'm just going to go ahead right now and right click on it and say create clipping mask. And that is just going to mean that I'm going to only adjust this layer that's underneath it, which is this photo. So if you're just working on a photo, you don't need to do that step. But if you're working on a photo that's, in a layout you're working on, you can just easily edit it this way. You can just clip the curves mask right here. And then, so I have this bar here that comes up. This is the curves adjustment. And I'm just going to kind of click at the top here, which will make a dot. And then I'm going to drag that up. So you'll see the more I drag it, the more white my layout gets. I obviously don't want it quite that whited out. So I'm just going to drag it a little bit there. And if you still want it even lighter, you can click down here on the lower part and then adjust this part too. So this is going to adjust, your darker shadow parts. And so I think that looks good. I can turn this off here so you can see that I have just lightened my photo up a little bit. I hope that was helpful.